From an apology, now on to compensation. The Saraburi-based Zone 4 branch of the Thai National Health Security Office, or NHSO, has agreed to pay 469,000 baht initial compensation to 8 people who developed undesirable side effects after receiving COVID-19 vaccine jabs, including 400,000 baht alone to the family of the one who died. The 50-year-old man was inoculated in Pathum Thani province and developed chest pain until his death 5 days later. The NHSO's Saraburi branch office, headed by Dr. Shalor Santi Warangkana, decided to compensate the victim's family with 400,000 baht to be paid 5 days after the subcommittee of the Saraburi office approved the compensation. His 27-year-old son told the Thai PBS he has not received the compensation yet, nor has he been contacted by any state agency, including Ramathipati Hospital, about the result of the autopsy conducted to determine the exact cause of his father's death. Earlier, he had lodged a complaint with Public Health Minister Anutin Chanvirakul seeking compensation for the death of his father, which he claimed was linked to the COVID-19 vaccination. His complaint was eventually passed to the NHSO for consideration. He said that he would petition Prime Minister Prayut Chan-o-cha regarding the compensation if the payment is not forthcoming soon. Meanwhile, Dr. Shalor explained that people who develop serious side effects after vaccination can claim compensation immediately without having to wait for verification from health officials, because this is already in accordance with the initial health principle. He also said that the compensation payment would not be reclaimed even if it is proved later that the serious symptoms, including death, were not linked to the vaccination. 3 other vaccine recipients were hospitalized and 4 developed mild side effects. The NHSO has set aside about 100 million baht as a compensation fund for people suffering side effects after vaccination. The payments range from 100,000 baht for side effects, which prevents recipients from working for a certain period of time, up to 248,000 baht for disability or loss of a limb, and up to 400,000 baht in the case of death. NHSO Secretary General Dr. Jade Thamatat Ari said initial compensation will be paid once a doctor rules that the serious side effects are linked to the vaccination without having to wait for tests to determine the exact cause.